I know, right?
I'm changing room somewhere. And then I'm brushing. And brushing my hair. Stuck in the same place I've always been. And I'll keep wondering and wondering and wondering and wondering when will my life begin?
Tara. Tawid, tawid. Swimming, oh. Meron naman shade, naka-shade naman yan. Nina, Jamie, and Steve having a swim around here in Havana. Oh. Mga work from home. Gold.
Okay, so on to the next
On
room.
to the next room.
Oh, okay.
Ah,
So
very
actually, these are the works of our multimedia students.
Mhm.
And kaya po namin sila pinost kasi we had our honor show and the portfolio show for the students.
Mhm.
The portfolio show is to showcase their own works
Mm.
to everyone. Like, we also invite people from... Okay, so...
Student siya.
No po, we are partnered with Repertory, kaya po yung ibang tao dito is like the attendees of Repertory unit. So like what I've been saying, portfolio show is to showcase their works to different, yun nga po, we invite people from different companies.
Mm.
So as young as them, na-offer na po agad sila ng work.
Ayan.
They've, nabibigyan na po sila like mga calling cards, like they have potential and everything, like I want you for my company, ganyan po. And also, it's not just that, but also we have yung mga works po ng students din natin, yung mga dean's list, yung mga na-awardan po.
First in the Philippines ito, or tama ba? Or are there any other campus outside the country?
No,
Or
this
wala
is just
talaga?
Philippines camp.
abroad.
Mm.
Dito naman din po nila pinipili mag-aral.
Ayan
Like
nga.
them.
This is Think Tank.
Think Tank Academics.
We call this Think Tank, but this is the faculty room. Also, this is where the senior high school advisor sits, and also from academics and registrar. So on to the next room, ayan po. I really can show you Playhouse kasi po nandun yung
Sila?
yes po, andun
Okay.
yung Repertory Philippines.
Mm.
The place kung saan po namin na yung film events namin. Film showing, mga ganyan po. Video. Yes, but
Yeah,
the
recording.
other campus we have two. One for acoustic and one for full band. So this is just for acoustics lang. Ganyan po. But our students, yes. So, yes. So this campus is really the first studio that we had. And then, yung students po namin, yung artist students namin, they even produce and make their own music here. Ganyan po. If you are familiar with Clara Benin, dito niya ginawa yung thesis niya, which is now a good album. It's out on
Clara
Spotify
Benin.
naman din.
Okay.
Yes, she was a student of Mint. She was a product review.
Clara Benin. Okay.
And there are a lot more.
Okay.
So, ayun po. Yes,
One day.
multimedia students natin. Ayan po yung mga
Are you
projects
open to-
na open our campus at 8.
Oh, 8 in the morning. Yeah.
Yes,
that's-
until 4 p.m.
Yeah.
So this is our Geek Central. Ayan. This is our Geek Central, our Mac Lab for multimedia students and even for IT and such. So, kahit sino ano din po, student or class, pwedeng gamitin din po yan. And yung nasa gitna po na camera is for our distant learners
Ah, okay.
because we have students from abroad, also from different provinces.
Okay.
And some are also for the ano po, working students kasi we also accept students who are also working.
Yeah, that's good.
This is mental. This is for IT. That is 3D printer for the IT students. Having distant learners from different places will also be able to attend classes in real time. Kaya po may camera sa gitna. So kahit po, let's say may travel kayo or you will go somewhere else na so she won't be able to attend classes. Kung gusto nga pa rin pong pumasok sa class, pwede pa rin po. Kasi po for multimedia arts, we specialize in two courses. Well, one is for digital and animation, and the other is creative designing. So this is experiment. Yes, our science lab. Nakalak siya. I'm really sorry.
Okay, that's fine.
I like the arts. Naku,
Yeah.
si Chloe
Si Chloe, ganyan mga drawings.
Yeah, yun nga.
The names of the rooms were named by our pioneer students. And this is
Nice.
just a regular room. Ayan, messy pa siya kasi we are still getting ready for the incoming school year. Tayo, next is lemon mint.
Lemon mint.
Dark and scary
I can see na excited po. This is lemon mint. That's red. The other room is red. This is yellow. So ayan siya. And actually, there are no like yung tables talaga for classes. It's different. Different designs. Minsan parang cafe style. So depende. So some students also don't really use chairs because they prefer to sit on the beanbags. So it's also like relaxing and learning at the same time.
Yeah, very good.
So and we can use that for class naman din. Good day. They go.
Wow, nice.
Now, parang conference style
Oh
naman
my
siya.
God. Okay.
The left side of the library and this is the right side. So since this is opened up into one big space, ano po siya, we used it for the event.
May mga entrance, just in case sa UK galing, may entrance exam pa ba? Or
There's a PSA birth certificate and also the 2x2 photo. If from abroad po siya, might as well, sabi ko na po na yung documents that will be coming from abroad should be authenticated from the embassy.
from the embassy.
And, ayan po, they also
Ay, si
buy
James
out.
is the daddy. Classrooms? Marami.
Dami na, no?
Madami.
Parang ang dami nilang
Yes, isang ikot lang po, so hindi po talaga mawawala ang mga estudyante.
Okay, walang maraming floor.
Yes po.
Isang floor lahat mga classes lang. Tapos isang floor mga offices, ganun.
Yes
I
po.
see. Okay.
Nandito sila kasi po, they have to tap it.
Para
po
to enter.
sila.
Yeah, that is good.
Parang na-mention kanina about shuttle. Sorry, I did not understand.
Shuttle.
Ano yung about shuttle?
Yes, yung shuttles po, it's just campus to campus lang naman po siya. And there are certain times for that. Twice in the morning, twice during lunchtime, and twice in the afternoon.
Nina!
You're Nina!
Nina!
Oh no.
Well, behave ka na. Wag well behave ka, kilala ka na. Nakapasa yan, nakapasa siya. We're back. Oh, yes. Thank you very much for that. It's better to... Yeah.
Ano, naiinitan siya dun sa...
Nagpalit.
So, siguro pag pasako ko, ano mga ako nag-swimming sa... Nag-swimming ako dyan sa kanal.
Dahil ito na yung malaki yung AFC Kamal or Matagin.
Thank you.
Ilalim ng kunting ilaw. Tayo sasayaw. Tatay, kain ng kain, oh. Well done, Jamie! Well done, girl! Another one, another one. Mommy next, mommy next.
I'm chicken shit.
Chicken shit.